we have 3 examples where we're going to be factoring. For this example, we're going to get the GCF. Here we're going to factor by grouping, and over here we're going to do AC method. So for this one, the GCF, which should always be the first thing you always ask for any problem you do. I'm just telling you that for this one is GCF, this one is grouping, and that one is AC. But you always check for GCF first. So what do the numbers have in common? As you can see, they're both ends in 5. They're both divisible. All of them are divisible by 5. Okay. And then what is the lowest exponent for the variables? X squared. So since the question asks what is the GCF, your answer is just 5x squared. That's it. Now, if we were to just be factor, you want to take the GCF and tell me the leftovers. So this will be x squared plus 7x plus 3. So if it's, okay, so the GCF is just 5x squared. If it's to factor, it's all of that. Okay? Okay. Over here, we're going to start by grouping. Now, remember the question, always check GCF. In this case, there's no GCF, but you want to always check. Grouping, split in the middle. What do these two have in common? X plus 9, negative 5, negative 5, x plus 9, y minus 5, x plus 9. So for grouping, we split in the middle, we factor the first two terms. What do they have in common is the y, the leftovers is the x plus 9. And the sign, what they have in common is a negative 5. Take it out, leftovers is x plus 9. Then if you look at this step right here, from here to here, what's common is x plus 9. Take it out, leftovers y minus 5. Okay? So for this one, we're going to do AC method. So GCF, grouping, AC method. Okay? So I'm going to multiply 7 times 5, which gives me 35. Factors of 35, that will subtract or add to 2. I believe that's 7 and 5. So then you rewrite it as 7y squared. Bring the first sign down, plus. So your two factors are 7 and 5. So always write down the largest one, so 7y. Positive times negative, minus 5y minus 5. These two have a 7y in common. From here on, it's just grouping. So from here on, you're just doing exactly what you did here. So 7y, y plus 1, negative 5, minus 5, y plus 1, negative 5 divided by negative 5, positive 1. If you look from here to here, what's common is the y plus 1. Leftovers 7y minus 5. So you have your three answers. So remember, the answer for the first one is this. This is what they asked for the GCF. If they say factor, you simplify, take out the GCF first, and then continue. Okay? So that's it.